place a restriction on export. And the Francophone countries in so are affected. And ordinarily, I'm for the far Malaysia. I'm the Malaysia, but I'm the far Togo in the realm. Because Francophones also need been in Jinama. Togo a call more to the Francophone countries, no. And the big guys now, big players, no, like Walmart and I say for no. Also currently stock. My latest checks, I should say, a lot of stocks in free Malaysia near the MS supplementary crude refined wahano. So they are even looking elsewhere, like South America near the and the shortage and abba.
Okay.
And yet bronya another abatuano. And yes, so I feel that so business now crano. I shall see a unity kakra or a sima. Yanya kakra the year juma. And so cry bono Emma form because of production and called Emma be or market no.
Now yes, wow, we have a style, you know, raw materials, no, and walk qua kakra.
Yeah, a quite cheap I feel a production. I shall see have a map for harvesting almost a crash as a market. And the bar actually a Kobe break. I feel a fresh one as a market.
Not just a Walmart for any other big players, no, a shortage. And the kakra will just be
grabbing or email square in Como. If I only cruise ground, would the Juma, I feel no more person besos. And now, neighbors why a day because of shortage, no tea. On try on farm freight, freight, sea freight in Kahom Bejuano. Now a bono, a was so kakra. And yes, it be a batua and as a bronyan in Tiana. System na e mo yedi kakra
na weather no na ma abena ma
o yenya long drought.
Yes, that's true.
Yenya long drought nti ama abena amo and I across West Africa nyina anye Ghana nko a nti esa na nka ye neighbors na e betumi anye bia from mo ze Cote d'Ivoire for mo wo mbefu pa but omo no so de na anye yi papa sa nti ama affect the entire sub-region, no, and a general problem.
Na sanka jadi fuesu gombe hu e mobile kakra from there 5 to 10.5 from ni adi. You see acquire demand and supply.
I think I may hear consultation kakra. In fact, for the past 2-3 days, I shall say a consultation kakra near how it to me. I want some maka.
But I am a munya na you.
Boss.
All right. Let us see how to pay. My enchilemu. I'm say enchilemu no so asante. Etasumu.
Oh my.
Me asem no me no kwafo. Enchilemu de aba no etasumu but the me say does it worth the price? Dra me ka say omunye bibi fa ho because what say yenya long drought. It is true. Ensuo na nto. Osi Cote d'Ivoire omo abefuo supply entire West Africa. Almost when your problem. Inti kakra na omo wo no omo dey produce wo ho. Malaysia no ne ade so problem kakra ntino. Industry players Walmart for na omo ton na kase ne supply no. Omo nya shortage. And because of that shortage no nti omo increase a day.
A supply no
swati and it's a price mechanism.
Oh my media nyame kuni me papa na ye need come Mr. Kosi nyame che wenye minister of agric oh my me pacho wenye minister of agric and for that matter me ntimi blame no oh my drought today no drought to me see oh my me be 3-4 years din so nto but they are still able to maintain something agric no oh my ye ni head and co gidigidi because this year na woni tomato fooding come okay the same thing say the guy nyina no so irrigation any sane man dey na take advantage Cote d'Ivoire sabe ma emame answer omo krom no omo men ma ne mbro so a omo ntimi farmer Ghana say yeah imagine free that ntimi dem me kan say a BBC pair yeah na a opportunity for us say yeah oman no oman dey na yeah in the long term because next year we are not so sure of how we are going to get that abundant rain madam kan me yagin next year nso antos way doesn't mean say syllabus akosu bi mana and you say a solution ya hwe ya bebre emre bia da ba ye weda ba mrafo na mo use irrigation 24 hours emre bia no nsuo to nsuo anto ye be irrigate farmlands ama nsuo aba me nya bia ye mfo ndie ne ye ya hwe ya sia na beko ya say o my tomatoes no say nyame da rom abebu
and
no cry tomatoes no na June July okay so na yesu no say there abebu ama no akomu say na rubber half okra mo din GB 20 30 e ba sa na de uto shame abodin re no man obenya na fo sa mre enti mzakozi nyam che de yentimi blame but meanings of agric they should deliberate policy say irrigation.
I like the word you said. Even proud to that. What are they doing to reduce the shock on the market? Oh, say leadership comes to play when asemsia unyane pomesibre. You find a solution to a problem. And what are you doing to ameliorate the issue? Immediately na asemsi ye no. Ya ye bibia ma yetima so no. Ye jane sa na no afa ne level and ye leadership.
O man say bi na akoso northern part of Ghana na maize e broad ye ba yi.
Obia betia ye bi. And ye say ne asemba ye see asembia ni ho ye di na dadu anan. Eti asemba to ha ye ka na no wo ha no nature by its own
it will die
above vacuum until obepe bibia hye ho na eno de ma wonya kandifuo. When there is an issue,
drastic decisions.
Ghana, and say, and I've been asking the politicians to say, $page 17. They are home. And apparently they are good at the sense. So when I hear Bank of Ghana governor, your major work is about forex, stabilizing our economy, the CD dollar. Untimine. Ube say, 7% dollar never 10 there. Make me a you so. We are long term. What do you mean? What are you paid for? What can we actually any boy and say mama? We are no free. Politician no, both those in power and opposition. Baumia, and the other go akwema omema dollar no ejina. Oma pay your mama. Is it about complaining? No. Dollar no was 17. What are the measures that over to me about dollar? Say we can have stability for like 2 years, 3 years. If it's about complaining, I don't know you're complaining.
If
it's about your tip power, Mama me crying out member and mania. And then how the year. That is what makes you a leader. The difference between a leader and a follower is he leads with decisions. That is leadership. Yabo must say we are singing Ghana. Yamima be nipa. Hokana force. It boils down to one word of person just say leadership deficiency, leadership lack Ghana. Because some see and you might buy a deal with Jasso. At the end of Pennyphone here, because you are there, Ghana minister, you're subsidizing the comfort to the zenith. Glasses a send to say a mediation, ye triaka, send any ehanoa, DSTV, electricity, water, wardrobe, and sound entertainment. Entertainment
allowance.
We give them everything. Yamau garden boy, Yamau cook, Yamau cleaner. The over two Yamati. Did you know him? You quantify this year in some near the amount in the form of allocation allowance. And no bina. You're a muntaka time or buy ya.
Obedi command.
Obedi command. Force say because sa allocation and home ministers. That time no na ya Jessica. Na yakoto to sa niema tiniema uhia no for the month that time na yira wo no kocho diapers o man koye asem nwanwa but na penifo wo other ministries nyina o mo gibi
obi agide ope o man na onim history ni the entire ma ministers o mo deliver this comfort life on say in that colonial era no na emrofo no ne na bidi eso nti ukaya a governor bia in the under that British Union feno your man say on say no ansa ne say be ma no na obi a wasoma wie na ye bo abaso but nam say on ba Africa na say be musi condition ha na nyenti no na queen no you are united before coming here and for that am wanya ni dia de aba nti oba ha conditions abobo so nyina we heard everything under our
I say ba yeso dent
and nti no na make say you inherit and aka wa besine nti ene minister one heard say na ma onya busa won say leadership no the mind does it deserve that condition that is the bottom line and say that time now government
what we give them does not commensurate what they give us.
That's the problem.
That's it. Now about 2 weeks on maka say sa December about 2 weeks on throw away all the jargons and all the slogans. Sit back and ask yourself, say December 7th. Oh, to Abama and Puntu and now to Abama Day. Simple. It's a simple. Because as I said now, as I done, I was saying this, I didn't blame no. I governor,
no.
And upon me, can want some to them trash.
But
Francis is saying, me say, hey, Addison, do you take us for fools? Okay, what's the dollar? No, bet me, I'm number 10. Manemra. You are dead. For 10.
Edi busu mi nsia nkura no a onim say eba 10 ade ba ko boy ni say ye loan na ya jeje no na na do loan a jeje
ni mama introduce me panel na ye transfer free a fuga na to say
me nyankopon adaro
di bia boko
I think ma mo je di fusani di
ye do ba dia
asida be mo trade ampo nyankopon
ye do ba dia asipa
mama enchia na me enchia wana wajebro mo hwe na wo ka sembi about the ma ye fro bi say oye leader
ye candifo
say a shock bar ade na oye a prevent sa shock no from taking its real impact. Ede ma drink cause that time na Ebola page and mukakra. The proactiveness of the former President John Dramani Mahama Peso Sabebio. Minia. Ebola antia tesia antre ambagane ninano. How John Dramani Mahama that time no true mikako other African neighboring countries. Or prevent say ye be movie nipa because se virus be movie nipa na den movie. Atosu mi no o ka say COVID by no. O man penyi jo mama ne medical infrastructure na no wesi and e be serve basis ma ye. But today she buy tisu for since 2019 up to today and vice president na or your campaign, or that's what COVID-19 in Russia-Ukraine war. What is one about a Bank of Ghana governor? Mahmoud Bawumia was a deputy governor. Sab baby, Bank of Ghana governor. What I want to know Mahmoud Bawumia wo. NSC obet me ayama seed na eden. Abejina brand. And now me no ka say, ye man opportunity ni say. He said they move from the deputy governor, the head of the economic management team. He said, "Wababe did almost about 12 days. I was Shanti reading. Baby, I will call baby and on to me in the city to the dollar ratio. And see, a man fast one no do one and Bob
introduction. I was away at yes. And now, yeah, try DC for. Kumawu honorable Ade Akye Abia Kumsube Kayensa but Samre mami ni komo ewo Dr. Mensa so ye mbra me ba ya na me ne abedwafo ye be wie so any Bayport for so meju twen komo they are in charge of fixed deposit Ghana had there na just say oda wo mo a na wato adi pa Johnson akwaba now bomb to say e do ba dey ase ba me she ho ba me tie wa no pay free Dr. Mensa so
ye nchia etie for enfamra Dr. Mensa Dr. Wonder semenhia ai ne dodo na afre ne herbal president yemfa emra yasoye Omanhene bia me chance America asem we se nyame di dwumadie bi hye won sa bomodi se obesom yie na waye ne yie simple onyame ewo dwumadie ahodo ahye obi ansa obi footballer obi sofo obi no ma bebre Dr. Mensa de o se onyame de ahambadro fiko ya bibidro ene de ahye ne nsa na wasom yie Omai unim say America say Dr. Mensa etia ne na chi eko UK abrochimam ekoje abasobode kese ye anya asam keto akra obeko Dubai na fi wawie ewo Qatar ni nyina no na otwe baako na Dr. Mensa ekoje sa abasobode na wasan na chi ni nyina eye adwuma pa ene ne pa ene sede owa akoma pa edima onipa ewo ayaresa ho eni ntina madin kan cho se nyame di bibi hye wonsa se ye we ya me so bomodin asa obesom yie no aye ne yie ama nipa bi age watum tiawa me so se niema bi etitiw na ehaw ewo yare mu pa dia bomodin so betutumi kan wa ba Dr. Mensa asoye na yedi abibiduro fiko account hwe edurumra bi na ye ka sasa ho asem a sasa di obi achi a meka cho bibia ni oya ebetimi ayeye ede amano yenti ase sonko mesew eno ni achinyi a yeje awoye ho yeje obitimi kasa de ne sasa eno kura gitum se bibi di obi achi na ehante nipa na de oye bia no etimi se na brabo bema bi o a sabi obekompa so no na onu oba nya nhyiamudie ubebu sasa bema no asem otimi kan se sa oba na menini nya nhyiamudie no sabi o no ho eye makono ese me yira menene te oba bi nso timi ka se sa bema na menini nya nhyiamudie no ho ye makono ese mi kura menene te da bi da enye no kure ni nyina ne se sa niema no ebedi wachi a ema wabrabo eye basa ema wono ma wo ye no uhunu so ubedi dwa yemfa sika bia ema yemi adwuma kese emfa nhya wonsa adwuma no begu sika no behye misraw enye bibia o madin kan cho se sasa bedi obi achi a eniema oye nyina no sabi o eye niema basabasa nko na oye ade a ompese obeye no eno na oye adentia sasa no na kire ne kwan a omfa so no onya ne niema na niema nso sasa no bedi achi a bibia wo ye bia no eye niema basabasa nko na wo ye woniema wo ye eto achew udwadia wudie enkoyie sika beto nsem ebehye wankasa no wonso waware obekwa aware obesaba wo ye bema utie mi wo ye oba na utie mi na wonse saniema no ekutia wa bomodin so beba Dr. Mensa so na yemfa duro nkan na fe de ho eye sasaduro eye ama ubedware ne saa na nso na wotwe na bedware aduri yenhwe obi a okasa wanum eyi nkan yare a me kasa asem we yare we asem no yare a ne di ede eye halitosis ne di ede pa nanso eye yare a edi ni panya e wa abrabom halitosis yare we enukure ni ebebe barewa wani begu ase e woni pam wankasa no uni animonyam e wo yere no omamu uni animonyam e wo ukun ni wabusuam adentia wo yesa wo ba wo kuni pam wani ni pe adwane evisa ukasa wanum bon wanum yi nka ya betran ni ye kasa na nka sabi o yati air condition ena yanum yi nka wani beba onso no de oho su no ana oman ne beka cho say bro wadaroma me ye me hu yi aba me saw wo na hu su wanum yi nka wanum bon obi wa sabi o oda ne homi a ohumi ni nyina no eye kankan nko a obi da ne homi a ohumi ne eye kankan nko a halitosis yare no ebi wo ha efiri uyam ebi firi uchim Dr. Mensa se bra yasoye na yemfa duro fiko enkan de firi uchim no ye be maw aso amana afiri ho ye fru yam no nso ye bemu waduro na wo de aye amanakọ ni nyina no madi nkan kan cho se yare bi wa edi nipa nya etiti nipa bemma bi wa asabi okọ agyanan so a wani beba ho so na emoja se ya pam mi wu ye oba na nkekọ afikyire na ne de eye den efi se bemma bi wa okọ agyanan so yare a wotu ndi se hemorrhoid yare no etiti no eni nti oja na nan no sabi na ne kokobo no so eyipie bra ya so ye woyɛ bɛrima na saa yare a yɛfrɛ ne hemorrhoid yi etiti wa ɛyɛ yare a esi mɛrima ti ase papaapa na ma o mɛrima yɛ a oyɛ no ɛtɔkyew bebree ɛni nti me se okɔ agyanan so na wo sɛ uhu mogya ɛwɔ wagyanan mu bɛrima bi wɔ asɛbio ɔdwo nso ani na emogya di akyire bɔmɔden ne bra Dr. Mensa so ɛyɛ brihezia yare etiti mɛrima ne nyinaa no ɛka ho na mɛrima o bɛrima yɔ no entimi nsipi no yɛnhwɛ obi wɔ nso a ne de hye ne kunu ne yere ana ne papa ɔnum ne bɔne ɛnɛ kora de anwanwasɛm ne sɛ nkwada a wanya 6 to 7 years ɛkɔ nyinaa no ɔmonum ne bɔne last week mi kɔ baabi wonim sɛ me bɛpa kemika a ɛwɔ fie anim pɛpɛɛpɛ nkwada 7 years nkwada anadwo 1 o'clock ya ɔmo te fie n'anim nkwada num ɔmo nyinaa ɛnneɛma tuatua ɔmo ano anadwo sɛ deɛ nkwada wei deɛ ɔmo firi nkwada 7 years mesrɛ wo wo ba no sɛ nka ɔmɛhwɛw ma wo se entutu ɛnɛ deɛ wayɛ wo se ne grabu bra Dr. Mensa so ɛyɛ na sɛ oba ɔnum no bɔne na ɔtete wo abrabom no yɛmfa duro nkan tituru mu a mowɔ akyikyi ne bɛnkyɛyɛ mu a mowɔ akwantuo mu nyinaa no bɔmmɔde sɛ wɔbɛfrɛ Dr. Mensa so ɛyɛ ɛwɔ kotwi ya wo kotwi ya santase udru bofuedu na wa tra brofo kanu edu wo de wo tra bofuedu kro na wo beba kotwi ehwo na Dr. Mensa ya so ye kase no wo enkran so ya wo Medina Zongo Junction baabi a Oman FM no yewura Kennedy Japan akompreko honorable na bro sign na ase ehwa na Dr. Mensa ya so ye no wo misro yare a ejeju na ehaw na do ko amena mu no yare bi ti se stroke obi wa ye de rubber ato ne ben mam prostrate yare yade a etiti mema oba bi nso a yare a ye friend osi akwan abesi na wo de no kwan na no eni nti ama awosem aye din anopai mi so otimenka de bia se de meka no nansen ye na Dr. Mensa ne badin edu wotwe enkono bomodin na wo nso bra Dr. Mensa aso ye na beji eba ne bi tu na so na wo nso timi nya ba ne bi na wo bomodin se yare bi a etete wo na ha wo na agi wo ko owuo mu no obeba Dr. Mensa so na yede aduro beka yemfa Dr. Mensa number no entudwa
that's right
na fe yem peja yemu na Omanhene entu anadwuma pa no so Dr. number no 0244
0244
92
92
12 69
0244
92 69 yes I was 027 11 73 551 027 11 73 551 your last number is 0532 92 80 numbers me and sending na Dr. Mensa yaso number say the medin kan cho no ye wo kotwi Guinea depo ayai doctor semen kancho se tutumi kabra na baba beto doctor aninti ni akasefo a doctor atoti omo ono ankasa bomodin ne bra de nyame penaje no obeba anase obefreye jobless
no one cares Johnson Yamisha pa from Dr. Mensa na said me kai no Joshua Kwame Fugawa house so that honorable Samuel Ade Akye Abia DC Kuma will be joining us Joshua yen to us free her say we have just some few days about 18,640,811 people will be going to the polls in this country to vote for a new government, a new leader. Now, ready, I go, Paul. You want to do whatever my minutes were back. That's to say, Bibi Aboko. Good morning, Heba Mr. Fuatrasi. To the new Chichinko, my way. Yamiado, your umbre, I wait me a deal. Mammy, too.
Good morning, dear. Any about crying percent of mine, you can say we penny a boy and no money.
Sorry, but then I was all waiting. I was all going to never meet you.
And say, good morning, Heba Mr. And the TV is no. My away a general war being, in fact, a boost immune system. And run over be some say, my drone, I say, and Yare, me papa and Yare, so no man or I'm saying, Emma Debia, we are active. And any penny be or Yarea. Oka sense on hospital when you be but yan and the musician say me kwe kura no sika ye kwa jeme enti ubon say doctor bi akasa e be friend obekwa na de atia ne say enipa ne so wonya won ko oman onye obekọ na sika ode ko no kwa hefa de ye kan ina ne say enu nti ena ndubrani nkohina anka wo ba ye clinical ye be ka bom ye de ama no ena ya keke ni na bom ne ye de gu bottle mu fe ne ya package ena ye de ato wo bebi a wo no nti se de ye be ya wo nkwa ha wo nante se me kwa ha na se me kwa ha enti good morning Heba Mesha oman eduro no aye mogya ni ntini mu adwuma na se ye ka se eduro ye mogya ni ntini mu adwuma o se wo bo nsem ema oduafo ni nipa o ye eduro no ni ina ne se se eduro no ye mogya ni ntini mu adwuma nti obi wo kwada sori anopa obenwu sa ne nsa ne nan aka bom aye ntitiriti sa ne nsa na ye tititi na akoya ne nan sa anya ne ne na akoya ne nsa ade nti na meka sa sa nipa ne shampaboa onti poso o shampaboa obi wo kwa otumi nante bra on shampaboa na aye ne sa de o shampaboa sa ekoba ne sa wo na tayo tititi nsa tayo tititi a o man woni doctor bi edi nkomo na obaka ne kwa kirewa anhwa obaka kirewa say stroke in ebobo ba no in the view of that no de ebaka kirewa ne say pe edure betumi aso ano animu ya na otumi eyonfa ahodie eye good morning Heba Mesha na ya na nkrofo bi say good morning no e kire say ni na ne sa maachi te adwuma dia wutie kura so ya Ade Akye Abia na sa Ade Akye bia ya na no bra na ye we kura se no nwura no mo hye si fe se dido no na omo de manya achi e wo yampa so enti wo sori twetwe wo sina wo ya bibi die na e bi so say wanu meduro ni bi wabobo bi na kire say good morning Heba Mesha eno na nde ya package ni fe na de egu bottle mu a ye de ato wo se de be ya won ha wo nko baby say me kwa yere say bia minisi council na dabi enti the good morning na ato oman essence eduro ni ye mogya ni ntini mu adwumenti obi o wa na asem okay na ne say ni ntini ni mu esisi essence ntini ni mu esisi enti amma mogya ni ntumi ni ofuru sane enti o ho a nipadua na ekura no bianca say ni nkasa ehie bi oman o ho ote yaw e wo ho eno na good morning for ye ka kira wo say edure de TV suwe eno na obanom anopa ewie na enyimere anopa ewie na enyimere na etumi ewurawura ntini ni mu na afuru esane ama won so wonyonfa ahodie obi o se me kwada sori a me nkase mu meti pain pa obroni se pain ya opa ase ya bono se ekoba ne sa mama edwuma wa wuntumi ye sika kura wa wuntumi fa bi nto aduane efise wo sori a nante akwa akoto aduane obi ba ni wo basoma na obede na waso akotumi akọ yare anase nompemu hawde se account for my sister wa ho di nkoto dwe na wa ho nompe so enti ka se nom good morning Heba Mesha na enyi sa oyew na wotu wo nkasa mu ni na mfiri wo ma oman obi wo se misisi sisie ne eye ne yankasa enti dan ma me ba ko o se na misisi na ye me ye o ba me ko no mu aduro no enne ni na eja medam asne sa aseda de former asafo awurade eduro ede TV so impacho obi obanu bibia eboya baso adentia efise eduro ni ye ejuma nkasa na oman sense eduro ni ye mogya ni ntini mu ejuma nti ba me bi o wona wo tie me o ho se Bejonso amete sembe memu ya me yapa me pacho dan ba kokura de so woni ne yiri hye na ne hu san no a otese ne be mani mu ya ne ya eni nti ye kire ne so onkope good morning Heba Mesha ne bi ntota kura de so oko mensa ho okoduru wa eduro ni na eguo bebiri no se eduro ni mpetu egusi se na me de me yante ho aseme ampa ono so to obi a wono ya no man endura eye wukuada na papa ya freye a odi adanse me pacho ma me bi so frɛ so me so me bu mi nsa me ti ya pa wo mi nsa bu ma ya bawe mi sa ni ne mu no nduro san so me ho ntome yenso ya kire no good morning Heba Mesha okonya bi peto ye ofa ho adwene num bi wie ye pe na me afre ye di adanse nti ama ye do nse TV so se ne ye kasa na ye di akukuduro bi nam yo bi na ye di kasa nti ase wonso a wo pe wo akukuduro no fa nam yo na tuminika kopa eduro ni bi eto bebi e ben wo bia me so wo bani ko school ana so wo school dem a bosumi bia na ye tebira akola na ye de na abefie nsema mo kan ina na se akola no enya ne menses na mu na yase ya ne ya
mbra baba baako ose ma yase ya me ya 3 days ni ade ose me nse bom si tumi nke ko ahojo na onim kase fi atinga jan say na ko ahojo na kope eduro ni bito anopeya wa frame ye dia dance se mo eduro ne ye adwuma ntampa efi se eduro we dia titi bi so kase dia kokuduro na ekasa enti ubu nsa na woti ya obi a nsa buo man pacho num good morning heba mesha obi o ma se media ne dia menti ya onemu eba 2 days na etwa 3 days na etwa me pacho ko ba ne sa ene wan di ye pe eduro e fa ne se good morning heba mesha ni bi na no ten na emwo wo pa good morning heba mesha ya to apeti baby biara kro bia wo so bia wo so a rasta no ho benya bi ato na bibia aye kama e dia ma obi se me media ne de medidia enya mede se nkomo ya mra ya ria kasia baako a eto de ma no eye enumuto obroni se loss of appetite to ma be ye din se obi an nkomo wo fo mo betumi didi kama eno na wo be fie bia na wo yere ene wo ko se adan ana me ye adwane so a wunde oba me sra se wo fie na wutie ya ene wuku no nko ko pe good morning heba me hye ne bi fesi ni table oba mani di kan num bi na ma ne 5 minutes ansa na wodi na dua na ama na hwe obedidi am wo ba ka se me kunu na de wodidi eduro no in fact ye kasa ye de akokuduro ene nam yo ene kasa papa bi temi ose me de ye koko edidi me 23 minutes ba cho se koko ahawa mesra weduro ebebo ene de TV no so no good morning heba mixture me nyare enso me num bi anopa bia na manum bi awia na manum bi anyimere adentia eduro ni busi me immune system to we say na ike wo de bia be hu na wonam ha na wo wura ha na wo fa aden won yare apomedi efra sefura de ne mum de to so biem eye good morning heba mixture sa oba frayen esan say ebre ni nti frayen na yare bi amammo so opese wutie mro so ebro medie so a wo eduro anadwo a wontumi nda anadwo be presa be pacho wo eduro eye good morning heba mixture omayobi bi sem send ye me won kran me bi won na atonkran ye na wo kan shi drug lane udro kan shi drug lane na bowrum e wo tenatet heba obenye bi ho afi repash heba bi ho obenye bi ato hello heba so enye na e wo no ho afi mo amwo ashama main station won equity pharmacy ubo wembo equity pharmacy a obenye bi ato afi widima pharmacy so enye na e wo kra o takura de dia AM mensa da no ba ha ba ka se AM mensa so ko no se asa nimde heba e no man ka se de bi o mo kan nimde nti infantile kan nimde ba kwa san se nimde heba ubo wo ho so bebre na ho obenye bi ho na oto ne bibia ye kama afi utie mi e wo koforu dia Gapson Herb Pharmacy Gapson Pharmacy enye na e wo sanso and a Benor Pharmacy ono so e wo bi ho kofoli duafo ebeko ye kan say sunyane fo beko Mose Pharmacy afi o mind dia me de soro so ekumase fo Freddy Mens bebre na e wo afi Misty Heba enye na e wo wo murum Colinac e wo Ashtown bebre na e wo sanso and a PFA e wo tafo kwantempondo du new road na we si be bi ono ato
okay
o yere pa for bro sen ni mu Promise Heba bebre na e wo frey wo 0246
0246
59
41
17
0246
59 41 17 for now it is 0553 21 35 87 0553 21 35 87.
Thank you very much. Good morning, Heba Mixture, for your well-being. Okay, yeah, so let me quickly do my birthday. Honorable Jakum, please take your seat for me, and then let's set the wheel rolling. And then, lawyer Justin Frimpong Kodia, the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party's birthday. Happy birthday to you, Justin Frimpong Kodia. Jidi se uhonye pa ene wa woda ya ma otrinkwa se erade de afi aka honfie ho afi osai prempe Nana Jiman of United Kingdom ene wa woda kuku aso ma otrinkwa osai prempe Nana Jiman Lois Inshiratiwa Anoche of Carter International Academy. Honorable Francis Konedu, Kona Assembly Member, Nebano Normal Trinkwa. Diana Asante, Uye Checheni Wo, Cordia Methodist, JHS. Shadrach, Sompa, Sompa TV, Soma Trinkwa. Augustine Obin of Asante Mampong. Today is your birthday, Priscilla Sewa sends that to you. Davida, away free Unia Safu Kantanka, Sompa TV. Mrs. Faustina Champon Pine, the wife of the Kumasi mayor, Sam Pine. Mrs. Faustina Champon Pine, the wife of the Kumasi mayor, Asoma Trinkwa. Afei, Ura Beka, we are checheni wo ahafukukum, Datano, Comforter Zuma, Ediway Ebrel. Daniela Usuan Prechum of Unique Educational Complex. And then Master Tenten, Master Tenten, CEO of Infinity Aluminium Enterprise, Ninehimi, from Berry Medro, Master Tenten. Okay. Fuga. Ghana for Busawa no pay say. DNT. Anna, December 7th. Obi ko so okoto aba. Only all the 11 candidates on chain. Now on to Abama John Dramani Mahama. Edienti. It's a very simple question, but it's pregnant.
It's a very simple question. Oman Mame and Chia na menchia yempeni from the chair more than the incoming first lady.
Sompa FM.
Oba penny Madame Lodina Mahama. Sɛ wohwɛ adwumaso amami ɔbɔ ɛde atae ne kunechia yade bi osi nyinaa no yɛbɔ naba so me no wo kase mami etimi esi asopiti baako ennan ama ɛyɛ ye mami no mo ɔmo anyinsen a ɔmo ntimi nya ɛyɛ ayaresa bi ɔmo bɔkɔ akɔ no mami etimi esi baako 4 na unya ɔbaa bi si na so bɔ ochi dɔma na bibie di adanse se John Dramani Mahama oba be yo omanpanyin obenya oba papa bi amana bonechi dom ensiwa so wasafa oba be ye the first female vice president e wo Ghana say eti emma moti asemde so wo yo ba na se wo asantimemu ha sei wo yo ba na se wo hwe yi wo TV so okunya eda enimi a yepese ye pam eye MPP amayokuo no a aboa osono eye omo emblem yepese ye pam sa aboa ndi ko nwem because ye believe say aboa osono de oba nwure ma so oba kuruma edwuma sei aboa osono de oba kuruma edwuma ewo se ejina brane no ni na say o ma me no wo ka say ubedi adanse say your companies be bra afodi up e Ghana ha say because omuhu ye no yes aka buy the create enabling environment what den hihye ba se na be ya private businesses nso bet my dem e be thrive in the Kumasi mola enkofo kwa na eko one of the biggest company na one more high friendly game omuni na sisa omo enyoma efri omamu ha say wonim de eme ya omo ti so omnyoma so omo ko Nigeria he ya o omo ko Togo omo ko Benin e na Ghana ye ntiema sankofo esi so omo nyoma ene mabunu na nka wose ye pejuma mo no se ejuma na wose pamu na no eni obiom aya de bia da na omo ka se Ghana mabunu mpejuma Ghanaian youth are lazy there be Ghana mabunu epejuma pa o ma Ghana youth an opportunity a obeye ejuma obeye ni ye suso enu ntina excellency John Dramani Mahama omampenyi wo se bebio omampenyi odi mpuntu djuma e develop eye oman Ghana o se odi the 24-hour economic policy eba oman maji blenda machichi mu kaka di enti a 7 December ehumbe yan ye pa se ukọ eye ballot nu a obeto abama eye chinie no oman say abembia bad abembia also you say you provide something called financial independence.
That's right.
Financial independence no o de buy kasemo a asiche na ne say obema timemufo no sebi omubotom ayeden ayehan omo suku apese o de obako obetimi efi apese wusi pitch apese woto eduane a sebi opese wudi kra no utimi di ma wakoma ye eto yem. Those are the financial independence you can want. Ya ben bia apart from free SHS, apart from the UCC hospitals, apart from the oya kwan no. Me am ye Ghana ni no. E wo se me so me ho ya harm e wo sikasemu. E hu yan ye pa. ɛno nti ansa na me ho bɛn ha ma osikasɛm mu no ɛwɔ sɛ uma me dwuma na me yɛ den ɛmeyɛ because inside ni dwuma na ndidi ɛno nti ne yɛsɛ Ghana our economy ne yɛfrɛ no a sleeping economy. Our economy no ye dwuma just 8 hours. Most of the private companies oko obi amoye dwuma no pa 8 by 5 no mapon. Oma obeje di se kejetia ha. Kejetia. So mu bie no anopa 6 and o match 5 ha. Acha by 6 7 no mapon.
6 o'clock no matter.
6 o'clock I will see a 2 adwani name. This is going to be a thing of the past under the 24-hour economic policy. Because in Niema be hiama a year kiti around 24 hours, you know. Yeni managing Nasia Yatnasia. Yet she sending out to form into what work kiditia in the wood tier. Time na kiditia the pond.
That is Lordina's children's ward.
Children's Amokobi
Chief's compound.
Chief's compound.
Yeah, that's nice.
Now the M say Nina the same design. Now mami in fact in Niema na we no. Say me say I will say nipa ya de o say anunti member ma na ba so me da so say so producers no akofa mfoni aba beto so a eye ni na ye pese ye hema me ni nkran ye pese o to na dwuma pa so anunti na wo ye oba wo ye Ghana ni a to na ba ma ni kunu we say onye oman onye a friend say first lady o onya first lady mpo ene wo ye we na yedi agwenya no ahye eye kunu nsa enti ye besere mo enti o man ti de na make no
na o kejetia
na me ka kejetia asem kejetia operate with an 8-hour economy. Yes, kejetia bibi say kejetia ye ba be ya mana ye dwuma ye 24-hour around the clock. Na won say me ba no me de eye
resetting Ghana
into where your policies are ye de ba na 24-hour economic policy no magible na ma cheche mu ka sebi. You see, the 24-hour economic policy no will focus on selected public institutions
Sompa FM
with significant customer traffic. Say cause a customer traffic as say you were aban enyuma kuo bia de bia da no be call no na nipa bebre den e wo ho obi timi salary from anopa under the digitalization na you see ampokra no obi timi kokko salary anopa na what DQ Martin enumpokra do mo 7 agise wakwa de asa chansa na wasaba ibi okra timi titi numbers here dey e mo say ko DQ mu to kono wasaba when in an affect economy bronika say time is money emre yesika enti wo faka akwa aba wo sa se omre no ayesika na wo say no enti yenya public institutions bi a say ye baba ye omo operate 24-hour economic policy DVA number bako when say ananko for ka say na DVA no uko internet so betimi apply then there's always a human interface to every sector.
That's true.
Say who apply okada at the end of the day no say okokoje ebi mu say na ebe issue delivery system no how the delivery system is robust in this country. And every system bia no digitalized no there is a human interface. And the DVLA bako oko Ghana custom passport officer and see bako oko airports and harbors and see bako we have been able to identify these public institutions. Etosumeno we have some of the private firms. Now no openi bako efrebe he has gone into poultry production. Of course, the fuga, me pacho, Ubenya Rabba, my office, Kakana, me koye. Me kono see, Sisiano, I am one of the biggest producers of poultry. Ewo Krumo has say. Na machines na me krabaye no. Machines na kasankasane, broni, I machines say be juma 24 hours. But nipa, mobile operating machine no, and a problem. Enti Mahama ka 24-hour economic policy no. I also mean say party no di mutinti mampano a we ye minua no anytime afro se bra be church dem and our panic can challenges today mene ne kasa no na we import eye enua na ode be fiti nkokọ no I wo port ye si o metwa eye 10 million Ghana cedis mene wo kasa no na sa time no o hinska ko clear sa goods no e dey abema nkokọ no and I'm saying this is a fantastic policy because Sanka John Dramani Mahama na wa bemu anaka 24-hour economic policy ni edwuma na Sa with 10 million na wo sanka wotwian aban ne wo ba betena ase say instead say ubetwa sa 10 million no aban beka say fa say scan fa ankora ye den adwuma enti aban enji wo sika nemum what the say scan mum be fa ankora adwuma. So the 24-hour economic policy is all about creating employment. 2, what's a production because room because aduane na ode ba no ode be ma enkoko na enkoko na ye den asa nyini na omo asa ton 3 help me stabilize the Ghana cedis no omai ye import almost $300 million of enkoko a ye we e kromu ase enti se wo ye oman mu na se obi ka se or the policy be boama ye boost your production me no ka se Boris B farms na they are out of the market.
Boris B is not out of the market.
No, Semikasi is out of the market. Boris B farm the production capacity conform.
Well, I don't know.
No, conform. We have met them. I'm a member of the Interparty and CSS
Probably
committee.
You have an information I am not privy to.
So we met Omo association.
We've been advertising the products for her.
Exactly.
BBC chicken.
Fantastic.
It is really making waves.
Exactly. But then on the productivity conform.
The devil and I will find out.
Exactly. And see, not only Boris B, we have other poultry farmers. Now, baby, one single bed. And when ti san yemeni na ne yedi be say ye de ba be boa ma eyetimem for na day. Enya financial independence near creative jobs. Me no can say in the youth unemployment at 14%. Joma ma wa be na ye say on the one ya wa born no. Na youth unemployment about 8.something%. And now me no can say it 8, akwa 9, akwa 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Omo mu di dwaso so oye magazine na wo haye enkofo nya gidi wo Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia mu say senior me di kankan no a deputy governor e Bank of Ghana te see that no pay wo di subobo e governor this no sa time ni say e Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na ye ma akofo time ni seed ni gina abrane elunti John Mahama seed na that 3.8 no yes wa bon elunti na do ko fa e Mahmoud Bawumia ba say Juma son of Boma J. Kufor Sabren and Ma Sidi Ejina Braneno on some bium. And Nunti Pejan Mubeno, the head of the economic management team. Ghana fought to Obama and another Danko Kufuado because of Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Near the Aguena Namau, Minya Bema. And there, when my small car in 2020, or say I John Mahama president, and can see neighbor 16. Or Casasem, Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Ekasa in 2020, and then we are in 2024. Sydney Trim 16, Aqua 17. And he beside Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia said, "Ono na no of John Dramani Mama incompetent no. E din be ne fan frɛ no. Because John Mama onye dwuma wo Air Bank of Ghana da. Wo na waye dwuma Bank of Ghana. And na wo bo John Dramani Mama sobo. Ono no de na 3.8. Wo de atwam 3.8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Am I? Entiaka Mahmoud Bawumia de ankenye kebi mamin kebi amamua. Ankenye kebi mamin kebi amamua. He had no business standing on the pulpit say enkofo to abama no. Because he has failed. Enyam wan say now den one for the air free SHS policy no. Enyam wan because when we say the digitalization no can wasem no ni MP before committee akwa no omonti ase say me catch honorable Ade Akye say digitalization on church am say on timi nchina mase eno me kwa akoye Ghana card na echiri na wai me kwa akoye no asokwa me kwa no mo say agi say me ko eye edum na me ko any premium 420 Ghana cedis and I'm say no be am say digitalization na me di Ghana card aba say from asokwa to edum I just say now say there is no synchronize in the system, and you are talking about digitalization. And your mind, 7 December, year 2024 day in we are voting for financial independence. We are voting for job creation. We are voting say city now on deno because the city cannot be allowed to be at 17, and that mean almost a projection say by the end of next month, it do 18.
So what will your government, John Mama, do differently to bring the city back to its position? Ghana for
Me say the 24. I've been in the banking sector for 9 good years. The 24-hour economic policy
is the game changer.
It is the game changer. A one-stop shop. Once I made a portrait in example now.
Am I importing?
It is Kana Kwasi and Nani de $1 de bano. A be free.
Okay.
And then why you be paying? Atuabo gas, Mills Mahama administration. You see Atuabo gas, and ne Atuabo gas is saving on mine almost about $500 million every year. What you say? As a trading nane say, Ankanya Atuabo gas.
You be carry sika
$500 million. More. I got crack a year. A friend say in the Mahonde say Emma power a electricity plant. That is what it means. And this whole bizarre me say, what would John Mahama do differently to bring back the strength of the Ghana city, sir? It is the 24-hour economic policy. Because me no can say Sebi Moko ayi di kwa import be mo say. Once na mo ka tomatoes asem. What has been the deliberate policy of government so be tomatoes bo abafo? If say Emedu say there is a shortage of tomatoes, then I buy a deliberate policy. Then I buy a boy say okay, say price near 20 this year now. Yen she ya say your dry season pokra na akosra Ghana. There's nothing like that. And to me, the 24-hour economic policy no umayin sumuye, in MPP ni kasai na nkokon ketenkete. Ya young man no can go because penny be a canoe na maybe some say na koko ben na obenye na oba ko fa koko penny ekofie say o wa konyen obedwa na efiri o obetu but ofa nkoko enketenkete na omo na obenye omo saa ene okọ Boris B farm o say the portrait say bizanse nkoko ben okoto ye enti let us not just trivialize. Say you didn't come on. I won't say they are say the new way no a baby boy. Me do my niece no. Professor Jena no pokwa say I am more frana and more free CHS no. Be small GHS no. And could be wa suku ko because of say man no mubu monsa. In Shishumu actually say in Mofrano muko suku no. The girl child no. A big because on mean to a pad and into unko suku. Into a review of the free CHS na ye can once no. The free sanitary pad for the girl child no. E babe dimutintima pay ye. And this is a policy the first female vice president or the adababa bois for female education.
Okay.
Enti oye enana se wutie mu ye jana se wutie nia. Sandiema we no. We have studied the economy. Say NDC, your manifesto the country should adapt it because Ansan yebe out. I'm a member of the Inter-Party and CSOs Committee, civil society organizations. Before we come out with a policy, we have visited almost every organized institutions in this country, including individuals. And to say the policy out. Now, unya buteshima, which means addressing the very the very fundamental issues. No, what's about America? Say when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate would expose you. Fundamentals, the fundamentals are the productivity, because when your productivity is weak, when your ability to produce local is weaker, you will import an ameboa, and when you import, what does it happen? It affects the foreign exchange. In the currency volatility is high under this government. In the currency volatility, so because the currency volatility, as such as say, when say a businessman be an anchor currency to me stable by 6 months or to me the any projection. But because a year volatile, want to be find any projection, and now na a year street campaign and we coastal bimu. Me will coastal bimu no be by say or by a box of chicken. Now the 405 Ghana cedis eba beto. Now ba be fan in the next 2 weeks. And na mama say hwe. Offer report is here no 15 cedis abeto so. Now 405 Ghana ntimi nton ne. In the next 2 weeks on beba no na be do 420 and 425 Ghana cedis. Next ni ba ko na ote wo kwa na oton ade no. Opeso protecting the capital. And until woody 405 ni ba be ja no onje mpo. Because on him say oje na wo dane ho na cedi no ebia ne say ne me no ka say cedi ni project say bedu 18 no. Enti oman the make ko cedi na ne say ye best Ghana for. Bibi edu ma Ghana en fa ne to ma pemfra. Ma Ghana enimonyam na e wo ho no yen sanse sai enimonyam no na ye movie as a country. And then mamu ba omia oni message bia.
Okay.
And then me no ka say me nua bema. Ghanaians are fed up. I've moved across all the 60 regions with me, Madam Betty Modi Drisu. The Bia Obekobiano. People are suffering.
All right. Mama Ade Ajekum Emrem na ono so mema Emre na mentie no wo. De ntia yenya 11 candidates ni nyina da. Na yen kanche Dr. Mahmoud Mamumi ase on for mine ko nanim. Mamentio.
My Hamidasi, na mincheti for na no credit set Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was an antimantemoha. Na wa house so no adwuma o ye ni se oshia ahemfo major stakeholders ye asofo nkramofo many other major stakeholders no. We are now in a community connect. Na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia you be awaya o mampani abedi achira ogusu ya o mampani abedi achire. Keta hye proye visual bar public sector scandal be anywhere obetimi dia foreign da onfa aban bi ada ema aban committee bian to abanyaku say ya hwehwe ni nsemu se vice president na obrase asofo aka ho asem nkramufo mpanifo ka ho asem na nanom ka ho asem Ghana fo nyina aka ho asem onye nipa yiyimu oyobia he easily mingles with anybody. Nti ne botaye nyina ne se pro poor policies eniema abema ni pasitene mu apagya na emuaya ahokyere bremu no ode beba na nipa ho atoro kakra ebo wiase a sikasemu a edi ade ncheche Ghana ka ho bi ade ba akopɛ na yerajo mahama kan se ebra okɔ amano ne jitu mu se covid ne ntokwa aman koso no anyanso nsanso obibi man so nti oman sika 7 ade that brand inflation in 54-53% and back kakra
today is 22
exactly and we believe say Ghanaians na omusumu no ye bo mabaso na yewura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia
Sompa FM
santimantem o wai o hwese de to asantimantem ebra omampani a wadi omampani dada wadi vice president da na wadi president nso da na oboase gold mines eguye na yewura e ka kire ne se opemso se yanhwe ne yenye bibi mfa ho na obi otie opemso a se na one cedi $1 kra na opese nipa ne se oton a yento $1 oboase awasante mantem ha adajo mahama aye o mampani pen nipa a yenim na najo no yenim na wiya enso kane ahwe na nim anajo Ghana fo ahu na adwuma obeye Ghana for any majuma obeye e wa hase yewura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia adwuma oba beye wa santimantem ha ne se obehwe ama oboase mines a one yewura Kufu Ado ka bo mu a aban dada na ni nua pani a enne wo so obesa abegina bi wo te so no ogu no enne oboase gold mines ye adwuma ya mampani Kufu eye obi a yebu no wa santimantem ne Ghana ne wiase nyina na o chisi ka se obesisi hospitals na asantimantem ha na ye de ka ho tepa ena your friend is a konongo and then the military hospital na sa hospitals nyina no yewura atamils e buy or inherit it took new patriotic party na nado danko Kufu Ado ne na bedi akire ena watumia commission 6 out of the 8 hospitals o mampani Kufu hospital a o sha se o tepa na nado danko Kufu Ado oni na bedi akire ahwe eye ho adwuma ya commission ye adwuma okọ kononwa a commission ye adwuma Kumawu hospital in November 2008 mobilization of money by Dr. Cabrando for abandoned the project as finance minister when to na JJ mu Yura Mills
Sompa FM
to na JJ mu bra Yura Mahama by no in spite of the delays our year nyina want to complete Kumo hospital want to complete Pomona hospital abra ni asu kwa ma say sebim predecessor dineko. It took Nanado Danko Kufuado Neira Mamudu Baumia as vice president and then Nefomana Enyana Yare and then Nekuma Wenya Yare. On my him say those hospital no were free, they be more were free. Oh, now free mono at Noko 2 for Mena mortuary. A Bayer Memorial Service Okumo Hospital and a fly no la 29th of last month a call UK. And in a bush in Memorial Service no a Yakumo. Enti sa hospital. It took Nanado Danko Kufuado ne Yura Mamudu Baumia. And ne Afari Hospital, Yura Dokofo, Mukofa Baye. Mahama Baye. Ne Eose Oyifri Asantimantema. Ukaso Kate Sodo also for lie because of land issues. Nanado Danko Kufuado ne Yura Mamudu Baumia. Ayeshua Jumano. Sevilla is ready for commissioning. Nano offer a press conference. Say anytime another person will be commissioning hospital in Libya, it is ready. Aside the agenda 111 hospital, see I know say Yura Mamudu Baumia bad drop so no person will be hospital or be hospital no. Technical handing over here Jumawi. Ejumai for no be to me ako. Oko ayi sabrono see no person commission hospital na why ready. Obetima commission. Oko man so see obetimi. Oko trader see obetima commission. Oko for agenda yes. You see, I was say I drink a see a sundaya I drink 20 minutes. Omanhene Dada ka say overly ambitious projects agenda 111. And for never juma o. E mabunu ya. 67,000 of our nurses are doctors. Omo be juma. 70,000 indirect accountants, laborers, watchman for 40 of the hospitals are ready for commissioning. Agenda 111. 40 of the hospitals, the whole Ghana, are ready. So you cannot say Obetna, on say a Jumano, and net, and what's a what Nimdia Bia, a Riase economy, Unim Diano, a Quenimu, and to say a cat digital economy, Dr. Mamudu Baumia can once. Meanwhile, bad Drobonso, me, any Sule, don't of Seni, Yatra Drobonso, Drew Babia, say Ubi, Epe Hospital Ako. Now, health insurance, also renew now. I just saw Buffy Jassy. Because I bring you Kumo, a bini hosted the ne, a Kufa don't about me, I be CBMA. To Buffy Jassy, there's a service in it. No about Jiso. Or better hosa, no asaba. There's a card, the cranny ho. And then with the digital economy, I Dr. Mahmoudba, a preaching or funny mobile phone. Not what daily, no renew the mobile health insurance. Not all nefu moon, or nefu were renew not a hospital. Into productivity. Ebe koso ayedwuma afa stress bebrebe kumawu drobonso afijase kasika ode ahye no ho oba ye nso the psychological cry obenyam ansa onipa no kane adum network ni ho. This is the mindset Dr. Mamudu Baumia adwen no progressive and transformative na ene na yewo mu no ekopepepepepepe Inti so obi wadrobon so na enkwada, and this has been happening over the years. See ebe trend so bia na nsu ayiri afram so. To the bia enkwada no timi trefi. No mo trend so. And that na dan kwaku drone say deliver nro. Na Catholic hospital a health center or drobon so. Kumawu health center. Na enkenro ni bi ni honti wo woka obi a owu. Enkenro ni bi ni honti no sebi moja e wo say de more painful because ye wa haban mu. Obi opimfo what me kano ewo ebra wo na haban mu yeso yempe moja okofa moja no wo he enne mampon pa na nro na ba ho na ye de aka nipa no na yewura kufu ado ne yewura ba omi hu se hey Catholic for ada Roman no mbesi yensi hospital kese wo si awie
ewo he
ewo drop so
aye adwuma
and make say obe commission technical hand me regional minister media for nyina baby
yeah
but what I say
so they've done it.
No, man can so man can move FDM. Penny, me that's Charlie.
The technical handling. They sent media to the place.
Yeah. Okay, Kumo. That's how no kind.
Kuma wo de samo ye.
Bacho, who say? Omanhene. Enti ya dwuma ye no. E consistency bi mu ne ho. And then because of social media, otena ho na o challenge ohun a wan kasa no o ha ho. Ye de da na se. Ye de da na se. Ya wie ye wura ba omia ye hwe ni mu se kwasiada. So be drew na so person commission obe commission. Na nipa move emeye adwuma e wo ho na omo susu nya ahwe nya. Kuma wo ye wie ye de. De toso bio ne se ambulances. Na bi ni ho. You see, enti niama we a omampani abedi a kire as omampani abedi wa champion and every constituency e wo na ambulance and ani nua pani a oye president na wasa vice president pen no na constituency bi ani bi se obi yare a age se opetasi na ade na tum na reho. So this is what is happening. And now me know what say UK air pilot to drone.
Yeah, I read it 3 days ago.
Or pilot to drone.
The UK government is piloting drone delivery of drugs.
Achedia bakwa isemu mantemu di ache Ghana, West Africa ne Africa ya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Aya achedia bako pe. Na wengu omeni mwase. As we speak, Sabra 2014, obe education mwa. Na in schools mako eduowo twemiensa ya bie school na duane ombedi kura na eden in up north. Ene as we speak, ye mie school ma ye nuanu omo ba bi no nko school na sirem 40 fie. Obo mo sirem no mo tifie 2 months. Da bi insida. Insida. Entino eno kra ne se amamuo hyehye ye no. Ye wo obi wo hono mo anani mbrade. You will be a honomo or you're very serious. And na ketase ne proye. Ye Mahmoud Bawumia catch say. Me digitalization. Me share idea solve ketase ne proye. Ne DVLA na me nua yiken. Kwa vidase kwa unhu live ya ho. As compared to previous years. Unhu live because me te honom na say obi apply for DVLA year. Or find a mobile phone no apply. Or call internet cafe no apply. E ye ready ane afre no. Are you ready no? Yeah, from Massa, Brand Babaje, make custom way because I have been with the many of Vida Ozabi Okumo. TVA Lakufado baby Okumo. Ebu Vidase, Ebu Agogo. And digitalization on Concord to send Nipa Bopeso. Say, personal. Yeah, hello, I'm a customer service center. No, afro, where you now you're ready, Brabeji. So, open delivery so because of GPS address and near the yeah, what crash you? But we are experiencing modern governance. Opedi, sa brick and mortar. Brick and mortar no I can once a year see hospital ye akwan. Akufo-Addo aban bitu. What the crack akoto mra se bedwen fomu. And this is my minority majority na. O se ma ya akwan 12,000 kilometers. Asante mantem hankwa mama mu 2,000 kilometers as compared to 8 years of NDC 306 kilometers. 8 years. Asante Mantem over 2,000 kilometers. 8 years of Mahama Mills 306 kilometers. Asante Mantem muha. So share community water project 0 8 years 0 8 years under Mahama Mills administration. Under Nanado Dankwa Kufuor.
What do you make of Kumewu water projects? They said they did it.
Oh, you see, I don't think I'm a catcher. I say, I am a dead. Because me and I be free holder. Go away on November 4, 2024. Sabre Berima na we free me. Berima asuma do sechi. And na opro os
2014.
2024. November 4, 2024. 2004, sorry.
2004.
2004. Berima asuma do sechi. November 4, 2004. Obi sa niema mienu. Osi nsuo na district because near chef ijase ase. Owie ye no. Akufo spending $16 million on visibility studies. A quite of fast or connecting you. Or BBA on November 28, 2008, Parliament approved $30 million. Mills buy when you bro. Because now this year Dr. Cabrado for free kuma weba or copesi canibi ebe soso. See and fanko. Mahama buy or abandon the project no. Project now was a mile 436,000 gallons. Now project no ba be duro for room. Not just because na such east to. So be kaya. Come on, we know the na such na kuma you need district. He couldn't do it. As we speak, even in Ra, President Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia koso extend water. He said current extension 15 kilometers. want to enti one pa gogo ma say if you let them ni nyina me ka say o say na o te ekodwam ana me ne kwakubu ahen ana om so mu kokumu akọ commission. So as presiding, I warn them that hey, if you go they will disgrace you. Fortunately omu di manuni say nsuo no ye nwie. And the baby has a misinformation. I had the mum yampanim for no ekoso. I'm not surprised. And this washa the empesa me chere say a bear from san and the national service. Ketashise ne proya na ekoso e was certain institutions because of digitalization. Yatumia save millions of dollars. And there were ghost names. Because of digitalization, you save millions of dollars. And there Uguta Ghana Kada. Ghana Kada, NDC for General Secretary Kasa, NDC, Mo Bien Konko Jibino. Meaning, around 9th July or 19th July 2020, 2021, 2019. And one I hear Mamudu Baumia. Ghana Kada. Ghana Kada. Ghana Kada. Yeraku for the buy. Ghana Kada, Yera Mills, ASOB. Ghana Kada, Mahama ASOB. No bien to me rolling in large quantities or come. I'm Obia Yabino. Dr. Mamudu Baumia in July 2019, or Soma Yeratifa delivered on Mahama in a bush Diamano, including the 8th. As vice president, though, I only need the absolute powers, executive power, or not the supervisor, the Ghana, I did your Mahama Ghana Card command. And look at the magic that Ghana card is doing. Now, we hear loaner, sir, collateralization.
Ebenezer say McAfee.
What you say? Oh, come on. Oh, no, dear. Let's forgive him.
Ah, okay.
Drew baby, you know, baby, I'm free banity.
I am
forgive. The Tosubio, no. The Tosubio, the Tos. Oh, come on. The Tosubio, say, so, oh, share Ghana card, yeah. The catch realm say, Sabi. Yedi ene ema mema or course I can university. I just saw collateral. Do mame I guarantee me wa. Anybody be cry for all the victims. And sana me guarantee ama gra say me just say no ye be answer. And now with the Ghana card you don't need that. And once I access you loan now the year juma. So say oh share me can you man nyina mo hu say with education free SHS free TVET any other physical structures oh me cut free TVET na boku mawudin. Because of the free bar, a brand new school, and Kenzo Gada, and Quada 736 is a mad rush for Tibet. Almost do more Guna secondary school in Oma Bami office, or more Tibet. Insano Juma. And then apprenticeship program are free. Last 2 weeks, MPA Rhinos Yawanim and Ghana Enterprise, Oman sponsor here, and 371 graduates. Masters are more trained Corona de Busumi be more 500. The whole Ghana and Kumawunko. So at the end of the day, and Yamin say, million him say, unemployment rate as we speak, you can go produce a bit material. 4.0. Now, unim, okay, city, I don't go to know. Okotuno, city, I know, February 21, 2024. Unemployable rate. And no, I see 15, 16, 17. Ghana statistical service are you Ghana, how you 15 years? I'm Rama Honkaya Juma. We are 17, I'm 16. Exactly. So go and pick and read. Don't pick the headlines. Read. Kai. Okay, I who's a Ghana, we are 15, 16, 17 years. Omu pesi on Ghana, a population and housing census, and omu basi on it. Inti uba no your projection san kwada omo ba omo person omo yadwuma now so emramu no omo ntumi yadwuma omo beka ho. But as we speak, the 18 to 35 or 18 years and above is 4.0%. You can go and check. So don't
wrap up for me.
Eti me person me try say ene young goal for oil policy. Me no less a country than Russia. Me wa. Also adopted gold for oil policy.
Yeah.
Because dollar we are seeing also hated Russia.
The amount of money breaks
hated Russia. Now Russia crawl. Na Ghana. Brazil. It's a long-term solution. And to me ba institutionalize it. Now ya my for ya to gold do what I say. Ya refining gold what I say. Nia make sure say I creating jobs through the geological service. What him so almost started. Almost started. Now ya him for
sabi agya omumu no so oma beka ho so that they will be able to know the value of their land because a gold na shemu no and no a part of your land.
All right, thank
so
you.
This is it.
Give me some few minutes. Na me need you grab your phone. Na me Samra mo chain. Royal House Chapel, a Latter Glory Temple, added the Father's Visit 2024. Apostle General Sam Kranchi Ankrana Ebe Kumasi, Reverend Obet Ajeman Webra. And a Jumedi Sin Naso na guest speaker Bishop Elvis Kessie, Victory Bible Church of Wasi Papa Nyamiasran and Muslimko. On the 20th to 22nd November, Ewo Latter Glory Temple Pankrono, Ejishano Susai Jumre Bia, Udu Anibech on 0242 285 Jabi Rabbi, Yanyam Fia Dia 9, Yaya fixed deposit, Yaya savings account, current account, money transfer, microfinance. Afei cash collection say bia wo ye wedding engagement wo ba for the opposite be you sika susu savings nyina no ye frey 0271 409 Alaska Star Enterprise open wallpapers papa mfedi I would designs I would on colors for office new fear Alaska Star Enterprise blank curtains and wallpapers I would do yeah the papa bedspreads ahodoɔ, modern TV stands, TV backlight, bedside lamps, sofa cover, decorative watches, flowers, plastic wardrobe, center made, PVC floor tile, carpet, artificial grass, PE foams. What the Alaska Star Enterprise? Edu Prudential Plaza, first floor, Mrs. Anoche Plaza, Enkai Circle, Tiptoe Lane, Tudu, MTT, the office near Kubank, anymore. Freya 0256 330075 0256 330075. The enquire name Altar of Grace eba a dinosaur ball roofing there. Yet on Zinc roofing, aluminium secra, roofing nails and all kinds of nails, Chinese doors, your IBR. Long span or say a bus Abia open say a bay inspection walk a diner our boss near say papa and your papa yama estimate tika dodo a wobetia ma ya bo dinosaur ma e dan wa boss so swapa na person ye roofing a odia ne Altar of Grace roofing sokoban ye ne Frimve complex di hwanimu frey was 0598255187 0598255187 Dimpa Natural Health for nichre second floor Wallace Towers nicham so dia na wo kwaje ulcer yareshe. We have specialized in ulcer. Now dear oyama ya che ebu on ma wani su timi brew oda wo na also obi kra bodia. Ulcer symptoms are very dangerous, very hurting. For nichre Dimpa Natural Health for 0245 1184 34 0245 1184 34 and 0246 744 744. Spanish ginkgo capsules for anti-aging, some mental sharpness. Why do you da sharper? Ape moja dia fusani fau. Why do you know stroke there away? O that's why obeda no insomnia. You was Spanish garlic mist capsules. O nasi beta tie. How to say one your boho cholesterol see acostro or blood pressure regularize there be no kata one moon halitosis and now menstrual cycle also in ye. What dear Spanish garlic mixture and capsules for 0266 1141 11 0266 1141 11 PFA Colinak Danny Freddy Mens Misty have make AG Nisi Baseline and Apidank Heba Oboaso Smart Heba Ubenya Bini Heba Pharmacy Shop ya Se Ubano or pre now or bre admissioner St. Andrews SHS is calling one of the best SHS may come from our private SHS 123 admissions are ongoing. BC results no Fabra na Kolano Wasin will be general as general science business home economics, visual arts, agricultural science. For 0244 696911 0244 696911. Mofoma ninchira asim fosu. Yawo mankesim du kono offensive yasanyu so any do dubiase. Global ICM. Yeah, 4-week UK online course. Opportunities in 135 countries. human resource management, logistic and supply chain management, occupational health and safety, project management, security and risk management, business law, public administration and first aid. We a degree holder, HND diploma holder, and I say you we a worker, you qualify. Kumasi Airport Runabout, Sipe Kwanoso, Ubewe offer 0209 661 720 0209 661 720 and 0244 764 797. Bread of Heaven International Ministries. Ade, oh Lord, remember us. Jumedie Apostle Elek Emmanuel Donko, any other pastor like Apostle Francis Ajinasari, Bishop Raymond Akra, Archbishop Ches Ajinasari Nemu, Bishop John Benjamin Odro, Reverend Dr. Ampia Kofi, and Apostle Dr. Emmanuel Kwabena Donko. Bread of Heaven Ministry Jumedie, a Basso of Sapphire Gardens at Tasamanso. And you may know starting from 25th November to 30th. And on the 30th, and you may know a consecration and ordination service. And so from 25th November, what do I need Sapphire Gardens? Off-6th, a drone waswa, a juma papa. Yawa mayo institute, amino acid, vitamins, aloe, and a cinnamon. And ultimate point pharmacy limited say, Oba, o libido, aquaform, uni balanced mood, o menstrual cycles, snake cramps, hawo. Now, fey, o ovaries, intimate form, you need Off-6. Yes, also a Medma tablet, any Medma suspension, malaria drugs from Penny 4, and a suspension from Kuala. Pharmacy shop will be a licensed chemical shop will be a no Kobusa, a year Off-6 or Medma tablet and suspension. Your number is 0596 607 858 0596 607 858. Sompa chede me kamfo amawo me dofo ya doye adoye edi sira bebreba ebo ban eyi free yarwa ni ohaw ni amane mu ebo busia ho ban entina bro nyan Sompa Foundation say fa wo kakra be kan de ho eye anwa emo gesia sardine corn beef no ne ade nyinara wo de ntoma ka ho wo de sika kakra tato obi ontimi enkoto sa ne mai fa wo sika no fa 0598 559 802 0598 559 802. Terrawan Media now blessed force a Bayport fixed deposit papa B. Yeah, dear 91 days investment 182 365 no oba usika bottle no and then see who no emre so ya wow dini why your investment 3 months after 2 months we so ji kakra de ade ye beboa 1 year o ho akere ye moa ye beboa Bayport na we are multinational and international tino sikando so po no ho fresh 0244 807 238 055 811 9281 and 0244363977. Fibo Ventures, Ashford toothbrush, any AfriFresh herbal toothpaste, Obomodinko Jaswa, Prince Princess, Evidence, Executive Friendly, and our Galaxy, where your toothbrushes are hold fresh herbal toothpaste, so come, a medicinal, a herbal 0535 452 263. Kenjin and Magic drinking water. Numusio, now Numsio Abedia dances one Numsupa. And so Baya, Kenjin and Magic drinking water. A drama super beer, Ghana have a piano, Ubenya Bia to. Breman UGC, Tafuni Road, Abawaru Junction, Hona Kenjin Walk 0241 449191. Time herbal mixture. A 3D yadia who do you not da. Ebtuako unya HH herbal mixture so a ma onkomo ahoya den fresh 0244 417 669 na bibia ankoso BBC chicken, Boris B chicken, broiler and layers, your full chicken, thigh, wings, breast, gizzard and mincemeat ahodo. So unya Boris B chicken no steroids, no antibiotics, no vitamins. May come from our Bantama High Street, any press within Hanimu, Asamasi Market, Santasi Runabout, Unity Oil, Poku Trading, SG Mall Top High, Shell Body Junction, a delivery service. Opesia de Brewa, Fresh 05 444 53. BBC was the Efie Akuko. Apostolic visit to the neighbor so Apostle Francis Amakwata Bekumasi, Oba Prempa Assembly Hall, 5 p.m. sharp. Roland Kofi upon Ministries and Adene Papa Eba 5 p.m. Shannon Sosa so do a Prempe Assembly Hall. Na Bibia Akoso. Todisak Electronics, yeah, the TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwaves, rice cookers, blenders, kettle, home theater. Nina no a property. Ube huya wa ezi karam kantin pomo. Wesley Methodist, Samson and Malcolm, and Dankesia no be huya ho. Bomadina kopie mo sunyane, Cocoa Board runabout, yani OAD janimu, Sanso so and a sphincter so. Over fresh 0244 266-193 0244-266-193 and now 0244-1192-36. Na BBI day akoso. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Your Total Care toothpaste. Your whitening toothpaste and your herbal toothpaste. Your brushes like Monarch, Duke, Duchess, and a kiddie brushes are hold on. Uko Joshua, Busa Total Care, Nebusa whitening toothpaste, not Busa herbal toothpaste. Okay, my memory will check. Emrena aso etia me pa. But me ma obia 6 minutes. Starting from you.
Oman.
Yes, sir.
On say wo di panyi bi echi a ne suni ne ban ebi so account. So fa bi. Enti se wo tie Alhaji Mawu ba me ane kasa ne ya. Enu bi na ye nuan man people communicators omo so ye bi no. Na me wotie me senior me sikasa me bibia December Papa John Dramani Mahama because yen lifty conversation kakra sometimes no dream o man no ho Ghana input dwuma bi be koso Ghana bia no taxes ene de enya aban bi esika o ena pese no enne yeti ase edikan etoso mienu Mingane kasano otumfu bebere ebi wa Ghana card and an NDC form pay Ghana card NDC was the government that awarded the Ghana card to Margins ID system. So any company now I can even mention the owner of the company Moses Baden. Yenye this our contract in the man and now me ka say omo na gusu print Ghana card. Okase mi aba na 8 years yam fa nsuo bi amba community bia e na wo twi na adwin be si bibi so
different community. I say community water project. It's different from Kumaru water project. Come on, change, look at different.
Wo si wan fa nsuo bi amba eye Ashanti region community bia na odi nsuo ko ye sa na wo kan ye e na wo twi na adwin be si bibi na Kumawu konongo ene eyi sa water project na no unso okase mi Ose o mampeni kufo ene ko pay loan no $80 million ene oka entiemfa so bo no boy o mampeni
Yemfa
abaso body no mo mampeni in the same breath who the grantor said the oka na no kre in the same breath Kumawu Hospital Formina Hospital Abetifi Hospital Bekwai Hospital a facility on Mampeni Dada John Dramani Mahama $175 million through Barclays Bank PLC. We secured that money and started the project. The starting project, no? And the project was supposed to be completed in 2017. It was just supposed to be 3 years. Martin Transwa political year. And I'm most complete and I'm moody they say yemfa abasobode no emma eye na nado danko ekufado o kakwa no wambo eye John Dramani Mahama dio enu ntina me sha ase kasa me se eye Ghana sika ene ade enti obi sha ase na se we ye do 75% na so be wie kra na fani die ma no ne bona baso ti say the mampani dada ya tamas abane ni baby call nyankopon fa ne krensie ye obeto so say o mampani dada akufo pesca to for N1 no owie one from mampani dada akufo. That is the integrity I want people to appreciate this morning. We are young. Me no na call Kumasi High School. O kasa my tie for who say guy say or reasonable.
It wasn't sounding reasonable.
No, me was a reasonable because oh you reasonable la. What me a jampe? Who beside Kumewu no? What me go cast on mampani go for the secure facility no? Meboa.
So what about the hospital?
What about the hospitals? And now my person because he was not sounding reasonable. At the end of the day, Sika no enye wo sika. Eh na ye sika. And he said John Dramani Mahama share project bi ase. Afari by now I can see we afari afri nipa dwuma more than 1,000. Because of myopic politics. And unti afari me no wo kase afari da so ho a yen wie ye. Aga afari ba na ye wie a etwem be 5 years a efe dwuma economy no around that area na apija. Na de bia da na me ka they don't understand the economy. Ghana economy na nkasa nkasa omo ntia ase. O kasa na America so ye drone services waka udi tu. There's a moon free Ghana. Are you serious? You dare compare your this thinking economy to that of America? Wasabo baku bidding gold for oil. You are not serious people. You don't even understand your economy. Economy na edi ama mo se mu nsomu no. Unti ase. Cedi to dollar woman in 15 minutes no dey kasa you. O my one kika ko cedi inside the cry 15 minutes na me tie ni pa ye. One ko because Ghana ya won na ye economy no. Your economy na ye sika di dija. And they upa TC a magazine. Maybe a businessman how musika eden. Eshi. What's inflation in 52 and 80 for
2 minutes more.
52 ne do ye no. Has the prices of that material no dropped? Because inflation is the rate and yoma boy eden. Ekosoro. And we do 52% no. And your man no epija no. And the abedu 22 no. Has there been any impact on prices now? In terms of reduction. Debbie, it would be a draw here. It's any was a bet now. I don't know 52. None any quasi you do 52 cry. On my food inflation, inflation to me do 75% of Chromasi. For the first time, food inflation. As someone make you for any call, food inflation was higher than our general inflation.
That's true.
John Dramani Mahama time now food inflation single digit 9.7, general inflation 15%. Because eduane di aben bia no ba eduane di wo se otimi ye bibia na eduane boy den ekofon. And na food inflation mi twemu 70%. After no so ba from 22 near general inflation. You should go and check the food inflation again. Eduane boy den because of recklessness. Medium news no. Goes for oil. Our mokasa omo de ba no. Minya bema. Anye na mamu bambia ka che say it will let the fuel price come down.
Yeah.
What here na wo kasa to be. Or they go for oil ne buy no. That time no. Na cedis patriot on say.
The draw was 120 something.
Exactly. And then how much the price of petrol about for man
about 70
more the kasa na ya no more peka because sebi mo kasa na people do not hold you up for anything but me do mani si krakra no obi a wuti me bia no 7 December is about Ghana and then go fui omakofa my better ba tax omakofa e-levy buy. Let me show you why I had mamu baumia. And you can say Ghana ni be away reasonable to Abaman. Mamenka di entia. E-levy. Aye passing nano. Shento kwaye kuno parliament. MPs need to cry. Chese nyeme si wo parliament ni nyai. Enye pass E-levy no. Eye wa buying and passes her E-levy no. And there's abapa no say here na buy na wo ma pass E-levy no. Also no buy into Abama and they now bind the buy ne live no na bind the buy no about betro no na buy ne say or company against or no na buy no mo the E-levy the buy.
Thank you.
What is this?
Ajegum.
What kind of logic is this?
Mamincho.
Na me country tie for ahobrase mu say Dr. Mamudu Baumia amamua odeba no eye amamua ewiase nyina ehwe animu. I'm not surprised say African Union omishia won kran ansan no omo AG member countries so omo adopted the Ghana na interoperability so ya we e san say after jumadi ayedi no ade baako a ehune say the world is not waiting for visionless former presidents and leaders we are seeing train or more mabedi a man but mine so afili wafeli na obi a wafeli and some fan amamu subium ninu aketo na kire na amamu difference the entire American say as we speak na me nua na oka enwomasua when the two pair baako education minister na baako ye president no mo ka bom ana obi aye adwuma 3 months and 3 years ni ama no 3 months salary NDC mampani ana oteso ene opeso sa di mampani sabre na education minister and wasa akofa no the running mate the poverty of it ni say onya no ho me na me kira de secondary school na o say pad who ka so be man kwara no 10,000 baako kra ma progressive 36 Ghana cedis baako kra ma satam na yasha say yeti sumu so na ye charge awo for utility bill light bill and water bill was secondary school. This is the two insensitive pair be running Ghana education same particular and then as we speak na oka men correct me one catch say me say community water project. I was the presiding member. The data is there. I did not talk about Kumawu and I'm saying I'm talking about community water project and sanitation. Don't you? That is it. Difference. They toss me, me machro say me tumra na machro see. Me say and that Nanado Danko Kufuor and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ghana, the modern touch I buy a mamumu and ne okobanga. Says ya menini he. And Naju don't do. And I do baako metima transfer usika ma metima transfer usika to my council na what catch that say what logic it is we are by for na naju na what anaju donko wo say what sorry every kumawu ba fi dase commercial bank say obe iska just say utumu said the man is bereft with ideas but don't blame him obi a wadi assembly man pen obi a man pen that wadi assembly man pen wadi MP pen. What the deputy minister paying? What the minister paying? What the vice president paying? What the president Busumensum paying? What the president paying? Now I am former president. Don't you think say fatigue asset in ana? I don't think an attended the other hallmark. Penning for a baby, oh dear, oh can't you obey to me? I oh the decency abagana, your campaign, your man semu now being so in a hospital paid. This baby I had Bruno.
Master na stupid idiot.
Mo dio.
Stupid idiot.
Pacho, me say obi su gina ho. Omanhene me mo ni dio.
Stupidity is the act of showing gross misunderstanding.
But the bottom line is in our local parlance and in our language. It is because if you describe somebody as stupid, but in a local language, you say we Jimmy.
But you know what the education more. The person is not a fool.
What is it? I just say we Jimmy. Hello. Mamina Omanhene. Mamina Omanhene Abia Osaye MPP flag bearer. Asi ni Dr. Boakye da Costa dialysis. When you meet you so passionate. Amamo cry anything. Amamo ne say obema the less privilege. Enya so mfa so. And the dialysis. And ne Omanhene Akufo Omanhene vice president a pilot to ye. A pilot to in July. And ne or rolling it out 1st December. Unim say under health. NDC for Omanhene ba ya obedi Omanhene or person sa baby no. Okofa capitation veto Ghana Asante Maiso. Okay. One first pilot, okay, say it take here demonstration here you July 17, 2017. And now Simon the first cabinet meeting with president. Oh, Mr. President, are you aware that there is an evil called capitation in Ashanti region? Please, that day, no, any 2 weeks. July 17, 20, me real feed that. No man penny announce say or catch there Ajimamanu and no announce no me free ho. You see the insensitive pair.
The capitation there.
Insensitive pair. Mamia obegu education.
Where people not still going to the hospital. People were still going to the hospital.
Obegu business through
Coca-Cola. We are supposed
and when Coca-Cola.
Any under Mahama.
Any more time Coca-Cola. Hey,
please. 2014.
I didn't see a Coca-Cola for the.
In fact,
please tell the truth.
You might succeed.
Me, my catcher was Ghana for Kumasi more.
In spite of
companies are fully up from Ghana. You are supposed to tell the truth.
Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate all your time. It is time for